What do elephants hide from our eyes? In the quiet hours before dawn, a slow parade moves through savanna and forest, an ancient rhythm written in footprints and memory. This is the secret world of elephants, a place of complex society, deep intelligence, and surprising tenderness. We begin by setting the scene: the land at first light, cooling shadows, mist rising from river bends, and enormous silhouettes moving like living topography. Observing them closely reveals behaviors that defy simple description: mourning and celebration, problem solving and play. Their family bonds are the backbone of everything. Matriarchs lead with knowledge passed down through generations, guiding herds to water hidden for decades, reading weather from distant winds. Calves are taught subtle skills: how to strip bark, how to use a trunk as a tool, how to listen for the calls of distant relatives. The trunk itself is an evolutionary marvel, a fusion of nose and upper lip containing tens of thousands of muscles, capable of a tender caress and a precise pick of a single blade of grass. In mud and water, we see ingenuity. Elephants create dust baths to cool. They dig for mineral-rich soil with coordinated effort, and they use branches to swat flies or scratch unreachable itches. Their cognition extends to empathy and memory. When a herd discovers the bones of a dead companion, they will gently touch and linger, returning over years to the same place. Young elephants learn by watching adults solve problems, lifting heavy logs together, cooperating to free a trapped calf, or working as a team to move a fallen tree that blocks a path. These behaviors are not instinct alone, but taught strategies, a cultural inheritance. Communication is layered and often inaudible to human ears. Low-frequency rumbles travel kilometers through the ground, felt as vibrations by other elephants. These infrasounds carry messages about danger, mating readiness, or the location of water. Visual signals, ear flapping, trunk position, and the subtle shift of weight add nuance to social conversations. Elephants also play, and play refines social bonds. Calves wrestle, trumpet, and chase each other beneath the watchful eyes of aunts and siblings. Such play builds strength, coordination, and trust. The environment shapes elephants just as they shape it. As ecosystem engineers, they create water holes by digging, disperse seeds and dung across vast ranges, and open corridors through dense vegetation, enabling other species to thrive. Yet this ancient partnership with the land is under threat. Human expansion fragments habitats, blocks migratory routes, and increases conflict at margins where crops and elephants meet. Poaching for ivory remains a ruthless danger, reducing populations and tearing apart social networks when elders are lost. Conservation is not only about numbers, it is about preserving knowledge systems, matriarchal wisdom, migration maps etched into memory, and the cultural practices that sustain herds. Successful protection blends science and local communities, tracking movements with non-invasive monitoring, creating wildlife corridors, and partnering with people to reduce conflict through early warning systems and alternative livelihoods. In some places, communities rediscover coexistence, honoring elephants as guardians of water and soil, not merely as competitors. As we reflect on their secret world, we recognize our own role. The future of elephants depends on whether we choose stewardship over short-term gain. Protecting elephants protects entire ecosystems, preserving rivers, forests, and the biological memory of landscapes. The secret world of elephants is a mirror, attentive, social, and patient. To see it, we must slow down, listen beneath the rumble, and respect the deep-time knowledge living within each herd. Their story is still being written, and our actions will determine the next chapters. Subscribe to protect wild landscapes and learn more about elephant lives.